Hi everyone, we're going to draw a face today, a face of a boy. Let's start from the base shape. Now this is just a sketch. I'm drawing the nose right now, the lips, the eyes, the eyebrow line. Now I'm drawing the hair. Just be rough. Okay, now refine the parts a bit more. And the lips. And the neck. Give you a shirt. Anything you like. Now, let's ink. See how I fill up the shapes? Now the neck and the cloth. Let's draw the hair. Start coloring the boy. I'm using a light skin color. Now I'm using black to fill up the hair. And finally, his t-shirt. Here we go. It is done.